بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله رب العالمين وأفضل الصلاة وأتم التسليم على نبينا الكريم وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. اللهم أرنا الحق حقا وارزقنا اتباعه وأرنا الباطل باطلا وارزقنا اجتنابه. اللهم آمين. Inshallah ta'ala, this is a very quick reminder for those brothers and sisters who may feel alone, who may feel abandoned due to their religion, right? We all go through this phase of finding al-Islam, the true Islam, and we encounter as a result the abandonment of either family, friends, loved ones, ex-loved ones, whatever the case may be. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, there are multiple instances within the Quran where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives the believers, and we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to be of the believers. He gives us things to find solace in. For instance, Khalilur Rahman, Ibrahim alayhi salam, when he abandoned his people and what they worshipped, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed him with pious progeny. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, فَلَمَّا اعْتَزَلَهُمْ وَمَا يَعْبُدُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ وَهَبْنَا لَهُ إِسْحَاقَ وَيَعْقُوبَ وَكُلًّا جَعَلْنَا نَبِيًّا. So when Ibrahim alayhi salam abandoned the people, right? When he abandoned his people and what they worshipped from other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, وَهَبْنَا لَهُ إِسْحَاقَ وَيَعْقُوبَ, we blessed him with Ishaq and Yaqub. And in this scenario, Ishaq is his only son, Yaqub is the son of Ishaq. Right? So we can understand that if you abandon the people of Shirk and what they worship. So this is an important side point, I guess. You know how there's this notion that, we hate the kufr, not the person committing the kufr. This very progressive and liberal sentiment that has creeped into the Muslims and the claimants of Islam. And this is rebuked throughout the Quran, right? So when you hate the person and his action. When you abandon the person and his action, right? You don't just abandon the action and make bara'ah from the action, you make bara'ah from the person as well, right? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, when Ibrahim alayhi salam, he abandoned the people and the actions of the people of Shirk, he then was blessed with a pious progeny. And like I said, this is not a pious progeny, just first generation progeny. This was his generation, his grandchildren, and his great-grandchildren, and so on and so forth. This is just from the Anbiya that we know. There's Anbiya that we don't even know of. So it's important to know, find solace in this, grab hold of this. If you're lonely and you abandon the people, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send you a pious progeny. And imagine having a child who is better than you, inshallah ta'ala, and they pray for your forgiveness. Every good act that they do, you'll get a share of it, inshallah ta'ala. Let this loneliness, let this abandonment of the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be as a sign for you to find solace in. وآخر دعوانا وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.